cut my finger closing the window. Don't ask me how, I don't want to talk about it, but I've always wanted to make fresh pasta. And you would think that after watching countless videos of people making it on TikTok that I wouldn't fuck it up. But I did. In the mixer bowl, I combined all-purpose flour, organic eggs, olive oil, and a little bit of salt. Let the machine knead it for about 10 minutes, and I got myself this sticky dough. See, the last time I handled something sticky like this, it didn't turn into pasta. It turned into a big-ass blob. Wrap the dough and let it chill for about 30 minutes so that the gluten can relax. For me, I let my dough relax for 24 hours. That motherfucker was in a coma. I rolled out the dough sheets with my pasta maker attachment, and I cut them into thicker noodles called tagliatelle. For me, I really love thick pasta noodles, okay? Angel hair pasta, literally my worst enemy. Now, for tonight's sauce, super simple, really good butter, Parmigiano Reggiano, and pasta starch water. Plate it, add some more Parmesan on top, why not? Add some parsley! Y'all, if you guys have never made fresh pasta, please do, because it was so... Who texted me? It was so good, it had me licking the plate.